Top healthcare officials begging residents to take steps to ease the burden on the overwhelmed healthcare system. Madaris Babb joining us in studio now with more on a healthcare system pushed to the limit. Madaris.
Stephanie, Interim Health Officer Dr. Ray Zbora's message to the public was loud and clear today. Wear a mask and get vaccinated.
Understand people need to work. We know kids have to be in school. We know that you have to run your errands. All of those can be made so much safer if you choose to wear a mask. And please understand that we're begging you on behalf of the healthcare system.
A state of paralysis. That is how Fresno Emergency Services Director Dan Lynch described the hospitals in Fresno County. In the last week, there have been over 3,500 new COVID cases reported in the county. Nearly 400 COVID patients are in the hospital in Fresno. Over 90 of those patients in the ICU. While the county has asked the state for extra healthcare staff, only about 10 to 15% of requests are being filled.
State folks this past couple days really led us to understand that we're on our own in our Central Valley, and there's not a whole bunch of help coming staffing wise.
Masking in the valley is a highly controversial issue, with many businesses using the honor system when enforcing the state's mask mandate that requires unvaccinated residents to wear masks indoors. Borja worried about the impact of large gatherings due to the holiday weekend.
We are the eyes and ears of the hospital, and what we see, from our perspective, makes us think really hard about the kinds of risks people choose to take.
Over 50% of Fresno residents have gotten at least one dose of the COVID vaccine. Reporting live in studio, Madaris Babb, KC24, local news that matters.